Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation? X squared minus y squared is equal to 52, where x and y are member of natural number. Solution. You have x squared minus y squared is equal to 52. Then take note of this, that if you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then this can be written as s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 52. Note here, s plus y is greater than s minus y. Then this s plus y bracket, this is greater than s minus y is equal to 52. We need to look for the product of 52 here. 52 is a product of 52 multiplied by 1, then 1 multiplied by 52, also 26 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 26, and 13 multiplied by 4, 4 multiplied by 13. Since s plus y is greater than s minus y, 52 is greater than 1. This is true. 1 is less than 52. This is rejected. 26 is greater than 2. This is true. 2 is less than 26. This is rejected. Then 13 is greater than 4. This is true and accepted. 4 is less than 13. This is rejected. We have how many cases? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the equation becomes, the first case is s plus y bracket x minus y is equal to 52 multiplied by 1. Then the second one, s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 26 multiplied by 2. Third case, s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 13 multiplied by 4. Now let's solve. From the first case, s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 52 multiplied by 1. S plus y is equal to 52. Let's call this equation 1. This will go for this, and this will go for this. Then x minus y is equal to 1. Let's call this equation 2. This is a simultaneous equation. Let's solve it using elimination method. By adding the two equations together, we have s plus s. This is 2x plus y minus y. This will cancel this. 52 plus 1 equal to 53. Then we can now divide both sides by 2. So here we have 2s is equal to 53. This divided by 2, this divided by 2. This will cancel this. S is equal to 53 over 2. This is not a natural number, so it is rejected. We've gotten the value of S. Let's solve for Y. To solve for Y, from S minus Y is equal to 1. When S is 53 over 2, this is 53 over 2 minus Y is equal to 1. Let's multiply all through by 2. Here is 53 over 2 multiplied by 2 minus Y multiplied by 2 is equal to 1 multiplied by 2. Then this will cancel this. We have 53 minus 2Y is equal to 2. Then here, from here, we have minus 2Y is equal to 2 minus 53. Then minus 2Y is equal to minus 51. Minus 2Y divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 51 divided by minus 2. This will cancel this. Here, minus will cancel minus. Y is equal to 51 divided by 2. And of course, this is not a natural number. It is rejected. Now let's consider the second case. From second case, you have x plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 26 multiplied by 2. Then this will go for this, and this will go for this. We have x plus y is equal to 26. Let's call this equation 1. X minus y is equal to 2. Let's call this equation 2. Let's solve the two equations together using the elimination method. S plus s, this is 2x. Then plus y minus y, this will cancel this, is equal to 26 plus 2, that is 28. Now let's divide both sides by 2. We have s is equal to 28 divided by 2. Then s is equal to 14. This is the value of s, and this is a natural number. It is accepted. Now, we've gotten the value of s. Let's solve for y. To solve for y, we have s minus y is equal to 2. Then from the second equation, 14 minus y is equal to 2 when s is 14. We have minus y is equal to 2 minus 14. Minus y is equal to minus 12. Then y is equal to 12 if you divide all through by minus 1. So this is the value of y, which is also accepted because it's a natural number. Now let's consider the third case. From the third case, we have s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 13 multiplied by 4. Then this we go for this, and this we go for this. Here we have x plus y is equal to 13. Let's call this equation 1. Then s minus y is equal to 4. Let's call this equation 2. Now let's add the two equations together using elimination method. This is 2s is equal to, this will cancel this, 13 plus 4, that is 17. Now if you divide all through by 2, from here s is equal to 17 over 2. This is the value of s, and it's not a natural number, it is rejected. We've gotten the value of s. Then to solve for y, from s minus y is equal to 4. When s is 17 over 2, we have 17 over 2 minus y is equal to 4. Then let's multiply all through by 2. Here will be 17 minus 2y is equal to 8. Then minus 2y is equal to 8 minus 17. Minus 2y is equal to minus 9. Now let's divide all through by minus 2. Then y is equal to 9 over 2. This is the value of y, and this is not a natural number, it is rejected. Therefore, our final answer are s comma y is equal to 14, 12. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.